Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Do you know what you get if you line up a bunch of iPhones in a very long row?
Infinite series.
Infinite series. That's a calculus joke. Because in calculus you try to find the value of infinite series. You know, series, S-I-R, you know. All right, I'm moving on. That was my joke of the day. All right, so how would I set this up? I'd set this up as 40 3/60ths, right? Because it's the area of the base, right? 40 3/60ths of pi times r squared times what? Pi r squared times what? 14 equals 282814. You guys understand why I set it up that way? Okay? This is just the volume of this sector, right? Because this would be the volume of the entire cylinder, pi r squared h, right? And so the volume of that, and the hard part is solving for r, which is not very hard for you guys. What is 40 3/60ths reduced to? 1/9, right? So you get 1/9, right? So basically you get 14 over 9 pi r squared equals 2814. How can I get r squared by itself? What would I have to do? Multiply by 9 over 14. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 9 over 14. And then I'm also going to divide by pi, right? Divide by pi. So basically I'm going to do this, right? I'm going to divide both sides by 9, 14, multiply by 9, divide by 14, divide by pi, and I get r squared is equal to this, right? And just to show you, it's kind of nice to put this all into your, it's kind of nice to put this all into your calculator in one chunk. R squared, that was right, is equal to the square root of 2814 times 9. I mean, not r squared. R is equal to this, right? So then you could just plug that all into your calculator. If you have a nice calculator, like I do. Where's a nice calculator? Let's see if I can find a nice calculator. So, this calculator, this one, right? So, you should have one that kind of looks like this, or something like it, or a graphing calculator. You can get this, I don't need that. And then, where was I? So then all I'm going to do is take 2814. I'm going to take the square root, second square root, right there, and I just put in 2814 times 9 divided by, you don't even need parentheses for this order of operations. You do need parentheses here. 14, where's pi? Pi. Close this parentheses. Close that parenthesis. Because if I go 2894 times 9 divided by 14 times pi, it's going to take this answer and multiply by pi. So I want to divide the whole thing by 14 pi, and then I just hit enter, and I get my answer, 23.99. So R is approximately 24. Okay? 24 inches. Yes? No? Okay. Here's another one I made up. Okay? I'm going to type. Can I type? Let's see if I can type right here. Watch this. If you cut out a 2-inch square. And what is the volume of box? So you have a similar question like this on your homework. Okay. So if I were to do this, so I would draw a picture of it. Got it? So I'm going to draw a picture of a box. Picture box. Picture box. Box is a box or a sheet of paper. Okay. Here's a sheet of paper, and what I'm doing with this sheet of paper, in each corner, I am going to cut out a 2-inch square box. So I'm going to cut out a 2-inch square from here. I'm going to cut out a 2-inch square from here. I'm going to cut out a 2-inch square from here. I'm going to cut out a 2-inch square from here. Whoops, not good. Okay, so when I fold this all up, I get something that looks, this is where I'm going to run into trouble. I get something that looks kind of like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Not too bad, right? Okay, so if this is a 10 and this is 8, and I cut out a 2-inch square from each side, kind of looking at this disproportionate box over here. How far is it from here to here? What's this distance right here? If this, right, this would be 4 from here to here. Yes? You guys get that? Which corresponds to this side over here. When I fold it up, you follow? Okay? What would this piece be right here? That would be, if this is 2 inches, and this is 2 inches, and this is 2 inches, and this is 2 inches. How far is it from here to here? 6, right? How tall is the box? What's the height of the box? 2 inches, right? Get it? Good. So then I 6 times 4 times 2 is 24, 48. 48 inches. Okay? So the volume is equal to 6 times 4 times 2, which is 48 inches cubed. Now, like engineers and stuff, and when you get to calculus again, you will figure out like what's the best shape. What would maximize the volume of that box? Because given a sheet of paper, maybe you're an engineer, you're trying to save paper or save packing materials and see like what's the best size square to cut out of that box to hold the most volume. You know, you could actually do calculus to figure that out, or you could graph it and figure it out algebraically. But that's about it. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to say, and I'm just going to let you start on your homework. Okay.